Your DNA is currently the most trusted form to prove your identity. But could there be a flaw? A flaw scientists constantly overlook. During the mid-21st century, an era known as the economic doom, poverty plagued throughout the US. It was estimated that 3 out of every 5 families were either homeless or in a living environment deemed hazardous. Once the newly formed government established an incentive to aid large families that consisted of more than 5, poverty began to slowly decline. As more and more families applied for this government aid, the application process became more meticulous. Citizens were first asked to fill out a form. Then each of their family members must complete a physical exam. They check eyesight, hearing and overall health. Finally, they were each required to take a blood test to determine if they had any diseases, but above all to verify their identity. Families were then asked to wait until the results came back from the lab. During these tests, something peculiar happened. DNAs weren't matching. At first it was believed that some families tried to forge the identity of several of their children in order to obtain more financial aid. And officials didn't take this lightly and forced those children whose DNA didn't match to foster homes. Families were torn apart, as they demanded something was wrong. This same scenario would occur time and time again, until a group of scientists looked further into this anomaly. For years they ran endless tests, until finally a theory surfaced that a genetic disorder called chimera could be the answer. This disorder causes a person to have 2 DNAs. Originally believed that those with the disease show a physical deformation. Typically a line down the center of their body divides their split identity. However, these scientists now found that as much as 1 out of every 4 women are chimeric, and show no physical signs of disorder. So you're left with the impending question: how many things have we judged in the past according to DNA? Only time can tell what other certainties we have mistaken.